In this video, I'll show you how to get more credits in Lovable AI. First, open Lovable and go to Settings. Then click on Workspace and select Plans and Credits. This is where you can manage all your credit options. Now here are the main ways to get more credits. The first way is to upgrade your plan. Moving to a higher tier increases your monthly credit limit. For example, upgrading from a 100 credit plan to a 200 credit plan will add the difference to your balance straight away for that billing cycle. The second way is to purchase a one-time top-up. If you are on a pro or business plan, you can buy extra credits without changing your monthly subscription. This is a great option if you just need a little extra for a busy period without committing to a full upgrade. The third way is to simply wait for your credits to reset. If you're on the free plan, you receive 30 free credits per calendar month. On paid plans, you also get daily credits that reset every single day at midnight UTC. So if you're running low, you may just need to wait until the next day for your daily credits to refresh. To access all of these options, just go to Settings, then Workspace, then Plans and Credits, and everything will be right there. That is how you do it.